Hi, this is Mike Palmer with Group 1 Trading. This is Volatility 411. We had a move in the market today. We saw the S&P 500 down as much as 32 points. Now, this happened midday. So if you think about some sell-off periods you've had in the past, like this week, which has been a rocky week, usually it starts in the overnight markets. It starts in the Asian markets. The S&P 500 will down 30 points on the open, that kind of stuff. What we're seeing lately is that we're actually starting to see news midday where the S&P 500 will break midday. We were up about 10 points in the S&P 500. We moved to down 30. Now we're back to up 10. That is a very volatile day. And what has been, for the most part, a volatile week. Now, weeks prior to this weren't all that volatile, so we're not looking at a really true regime change, but this week has definitely been a more volatile week than usual. Accordingly, we've seen the VIX up over 20. That is especially because of a big down day that we had on Wednesday where the S&P 500 was down about 50 points. Excuse me, that was on Tuesday. But ultimately speaking, I think it's worth noting that these moves are happening midday. We are not walking into markets that are down 50, so it's not as much staccato moves. And these are midday movements in the S&P 500. Now, a big trade we saw today was a buyer of the October 20 calls to sell the December 25 calls. About 15,000 of those traded. They paid 11 cents. That's them buying the front month options. The options that will expire not too long from now in October's expiration in about a little less than 2 weeks. But more importantly, that is somebody saying, I want to buy the Gamma. I think that this movement is going to continue until October expiration. And if you look at what's going on this week, that it does seem that we are in a pretty big era of markets moving a lot midday to make sense for that Gamma. So that's going on here in the VIX. This is Mike Palmer with Group 1 Trading. This is Volatility 411.